Oh, there is no music there. Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm Dark Cycloid, or Damon. Either way, I don't care. And welcome back to Undertale. Yeah. I hope you like your choice. After all, it's not as if you can go back and change fate. In this world, it's kill or be killed. That old hag thought she could break the rules. She tried so hard to save you humans, but when it came down to it, she couldn't even save herself. What an idiot. Flowey's freaking face, though. There's a Cameron. Cameron? There's a camera hidden in the bushes. Spooky, scary. Human. Don't you know how to greet a new friend? Pal, I mean. Turn around and shake my hand. The old whoopee cushion trick in the hat. The old whoopee cushion hand. Old whoopee cushion in the hand trick. God, I can't English. It's always funny. I can't do a good voice for this guy. Anyways, you're a human, right? That's hilarious. I'm Sans. Sans the skeleton. I'm actually supposed to be on watch for humans right now. But, you know, I don't really care about capturing anybody. Now, my brother, Papyrus, he's a human hunting fanatic. Hey, actually, I cannot do a good voice for him. I think that's him over there. I have an idea. Go through this gate thingy. Yeah, go right through. My bro made the bars too wide to stop anyone. Quick, behind that conveniently shaped lamp. Sup, bro?
You know what's up, brother. It's been 8 days and you still haven't recalibrated your puzzles. You just hang around outside your station. What are you even doing?
Staring at this lamp. It's really cool. Do you want to look?
No, I don't have time for that. What if a human comes through here? I want to be ready. I will be the one. I must be the one. I will capture a human. Then I, the great Papyrus, will get all the things I utterly deserve. Respect, recognition. I will finally be able to join the Royal Guard. People will ask to be my friend.
Like how there was a tiny question mark in there.
We'll bathe in a shower of kisses every morning.
Maybe this lamp will help you.
Sans, you're not helping, you lazy bones. All you do is sit and boondoggle. You get lazier and lazier every day.
Hey, take it easy. I've got a ton of work today. Work done today. A skeleton.
Sans!
Come on, you know you're smiling.
I am, and I hate it. Why does someone as great as me have to do so much to get some recognition?
Oh god, my voice is going again. Wow. Sounds like you're really working yourself down to the bone.
I will attend to my puzzles. As for your work, put a little more backbone into it.
I can't even.
Hey.
Okay, you can come out now. You ought to get going. He might come back, and if he does, you'll have to sit through more of my hilarious jokes. I'm just gonna give him that voice. Actually, hey, hate to bother you, but can you do me a favor? I was thinking, my brother's been kinda down lately. He's never seen a human before, and seeing you might just make his day. Don't worry, he's not dangerous. Even if he tries to be. Thanks a million. I'll be up ahead. Walks backwards. Yeah, sorry about the Sans voice, it's disappointing me. The convenience of that lamp still fills you with determination. My voice is like completely gone right now due to me being slightly sick, so yeah. Use the box? Yes. Taking that, I'm putting the butterscotch pie in there so I can save it for later. Snowdrake flutters forth. Direct hit. Oh, I didn't like that sound. Ice puns are snow... something. Snowdrake is assessing the crowd. And it's dead. Whoops. Okay, item. Tough glove. Info. Tough glove. Weapon, attack 5. A worn pink leather glove for 5-fingered folk. That's me. So, let's put on that tough glove. Make sure that the knife wasn't better. Yep, let's go back and actually put that in the box so I can sell it later. Yeah. Okay. This is a box. You can put an item inside or take an item out. The same box will appear later, so don't worry about coming back. Sincerely, a box lover. You darn box lovers. It's a fishing rod affixed to the ground. Reel it in. Sure. All that's attached to the end is a photo of a weird-looking monster. Call me. Here's my number. You decide not to call. You send the line back out.
So, as I was saying about Undine. Sans! Oh my god, is that... A human?
Actually, I think that's a rock.
Oh.
Hey, what's that in front of the rock?
Oh my god! Is that a human?
Yes.
Oh my god! Sans, I finally did it! Undine will... I'll be so... popular. Human, you shall not pass this area. I, the great Papyrus, will stop you. I will then capture you. You will be delivered to the capital. Then... I'm not sure what's next. In any case, continue, only if you dare.
I want to do a high-pitched, like, at the end of it, but I can't, because my throat's not working. Well, that went well. Don't sweat it, kid. I'll keep an eye socket out for you. There's some narration on this cardboard box. You observe the well-crafted sentry station. Who could have built this, you ponder? I bet it was that very famous royal guardsman. Note, not yet a very famous royal guardsman. Silly Papyrus. Icecap struts into view. And... what? I have to press Z. Also wants a hat for its nose. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Your head looks so naked. Well, yeah, I don't have my hat right now. Where's your hat? Snow? No, it's hat residue. Oh, God. Icecap's hat is loose. You won. You earned 17 XP and 17 gold. Sweet. Absolutely no moving. Did something move? Was it my imagination? I can only see moving things. If something was moving, for example, a human, I'll make sure it never moves again. Doggo blocks the way. Fight. Don't move an inch. I didn't move. Doggo can't seem to find anything. Will it move this time? Doggo can't seem to find anything. You won! You earned 30 XP and 30 gold. I have a lot of money. Someone's been smoking dog treats. Doggo. Hey, here's something important to remember. My brother has a very special attack. If you see a blue attack, don't move, and it won't hurt you. Here's an easy way to keep it in mind. Imagine a stop sign. When you see a stop sign, you stop, right? Stop signs are red, so imagine a blue stop sign instead. Simple, right? When fighting, think about blue stop signs. Thanks for making it yellow. North, ice. South, ice. West, ice. East, Snowden Town. And ice. North, east, south, west. Let's go north. Snowman. Hello, I am a snowman. I want to see the world, but I cannot move. If you would be so kind, traveler, please, take a piece of me and bring it very far away. Okay. Thank you. Good luck. You got the snowman piece. Cool, I'm gonna eat that later. Just because I can.
You're so lazy. You were napping all night.
I think that's called sleeping.
Excuses, excuses. Oh, the human arrives. In order to stop you, my brother and I have created some puzzles. I think you will find this one quite shocking. For you see, this is the invisible electricity maze. When you touch the walls of this maze, this orb will administer a hearty zap. Sound like fun? Because the amount of fun you will probably have is actually rather small, I think. Okay, you can go ahead now. Ugh, my voice is going away again. Okay. Sorry, Papyrus. Sans, what did you do?
I think the human has to hold the orb.
Oh, okay. Hold this, please.
He just tosses it up in the air and it drops on my head.
Okay, try now. Incredible, you slippery snail. You solved it so easily. Too easily. However, the next puzzle will not be easy. It is designed by my brother, Sans. You will surely be confounded. I know I am.
Hey, thanks. My brother seems like he's having fun. By the way, did you see that weird outfit he's wearing? We made that a few weeks ago for a costume party. He hasn't worn anything else since. Keeps calling it his battle body. Man, isn't my brother cool? Yeah. Hot dog salesman! No, not yet. I don't understand why these things aren't selling. It's the perfect weather for something cold. Oh, a customer! Hello, would you like some ice cream? It's 85 gold. Jesus Christ. It's ridiculous. It's the frozen treat that warms your heart. Now just 15 gold. Okay. Here you go. Have a super duper day. You got the ice cream. Oh, 85 is how much I had. Whoops. Ice cream. It's the frozen treat that warms your heart. Now just 15 gold. Yep. Here you go. Have a super duper day. One more. Thank you, kind sir. Ooh, I'm gonna kick this thing all over the place. Hello, Sans. How are you? Now, if I could actually kick this in the right direction, then maybe we would actually be making some progress, but no. No. Come on. Hey. Hey. Bruh, don't you even. Okay. Yes! Green. Your concern and care for Ball led you to a delicious victory. You were awarded 1 gold. Well, okay, not as much relevance as I thought. Oh, Sans was up there. I wonder if he says anything different while he's up here. I've been thinking about selling treats too. Want some fried snow? It's just 5 gold. Sure. Did I say 5 gold? I meant 50. Sure. Really? How about 5,000 gold? Sure. That's my final offer. What? You don't have the money? Hey, that's okay. I don't have any snow. Great job. Hers. Smell danger rating. Snow smell, snowman. White rating. Can become yellow rating. Unsuspicious smell, puppy. Blue rating. Smell of rolling around. Weird smell, humans. Green rating. Destroy at all costs. I gotta go to bed soon.
Human, I hope you're ready for... Sans, where's the puzzle?
It's right there, on the ground. Trust me, there's no way they can get past this one. Monster Kids word search. Found that one. It's straight across the top. Can I, like...
Sans, that didn't do anything.
Whoops. I knew I should have used today's crossword instead.
What? Crossword? I can't believe you said that. In my opinion, Junior Jumble is easily the hardest.
What? Really, dude? That's easy peasy. Word scramble? That's for baby bones.
Unbelievable. Human, solve this dispute.
Jumble. Totally.
Aha, yes, humans must be very intelligent if they also find Junior Jumble so difficult. Nyahaha.
Thanks for saying Junior Jumble, just to appease my brother. Yesterday, you got stumped trying to solve the horoscope. That's great. It's a note from Papyrus.
Human, please enjoy the spaghetti. Little do you know, this spaghetti is a trap designed to entice you. You'll be so busy eating it that you won't realize that you aren't progressing.
Thoroughly...
Japed. Thoroughly japed again by the great Papyrus.
Papyrus. It's a plate of frozen spaghetti. It's so cold it's stuck to the table. It's an unplugged microwave. All of the settings say spaghetti. Knowing the mouse might one day find a way to heat up the spaghetti, it fills you with determination. Okay. Unfortunately, that is all I have time for this episode, so if you enjoyed, feel free to let me know by leaving a comment in the comment section or something. I don't know. Do whatever. If you enjoyed, then cool. Glad you're having fun. Okay. Bye-bye.